Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to drive your Kia Soul. First, let's get you ready to hit the road safely. Begin by adjusting your seat and mirrors to ensure a clear view all around. Always remember to buckle up your seatbelt snugly. Before starting, confirm the parking brake is set. Then, with your foot firmly on the brake pedal, either turn the key or press the engine start button to bring your Soul to life. Now that your Soul is running, let's cover the basics of getting it moving. To go forward, shift the gear selector into drive. Remember to fully release the parking brake. Then, gently press the accelerator pedal to smoothly begin your journey. When you need to slow down or stop, apply steady pressure to the brake pedal. Practice these actions in a safe, open area to build confidence. Controlling your Kia Soul effectively is key to a smooth ride. Always keep both hands on the steering wheel for precise control. When changing lanes or turning, activate your turn signal for at least 3 seconds to alert other drivers. Regularly check your side and rearview mirrors and always glance over your shoulder for blind spots. Maintain a safe following distance of at least 3 seconds from the car in front of you. Finally, let's cover how to safely park and shut down your Kia Soul. Signal your parking intention and carefully check your surroundings. If backing up, shift into reverse and use your mirrors and rearview camera. Once you're in your spot, shift the gear selector into park and firmly engage the parking brake. Then, simply turn off the engine and remove your key or press the engine stop button. You're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.